Joining us now is Fastly CEO Joshua Bixby. Joshua, should be noted, you guys beat on earnings on every single metric. You raised your guidance for the rest of this year, but it's a seeming dependence on TikTok that has made investors skittish. How do you prepare for a world after September 15th with a potential binary outcome then?
Sure, that's a great question. It's an honor to be here. I think that we are very lucky that we are the platform for innovators. TikTok's a great example, but they're not alone. We have many of the beacons of hope in our economy are on our platform. So if you look at Pinterest, or you look at Wayfair, Etsy, or Spotify, or Shopify, or Slack, we are a collection of the innovators. And we are very lucky to have those innovators growing in this difficult time. And so September 15th, as we said in our earnings call, is not a date that we are focused on. We feel very comfortable about our ability to backfill that revenue if indeed it does go away, but it's really not up to us to speculate. We're here to create great customer experiences, and we stand behind the most amazing brands in the world.
Part of what your platform does is to ensure that experiences on the internet and trafficking with a lot of these companies are secure for consumers. Secretary of State Pompeo has called for the removal of what he calls untrusted apps from the App Store. Have you had any inclination that TikTok is not a secure app, that it's not a secure platform?
We have a good neighborhood policy here at Fastly, and we take our customers very seriously. People who come to our platform, we look at and we make a determination for ourselves. We obviously will comply with any legal or other government edict. But from our perspective, we're proud of the customers that are on our platform, and we continue to serve them we're humbled to serve them.
And obviously, because of the nature of your business, Joshua, the more time people spend on the internet, the better your company does. How are you trying to keep those customers in your ecosystem, even after people start going back to work in a more concerted way over the next few months?
One of the things that we've seen is a seismic shift in the digital transformation era. And that's a word that gets thrown around quite liberally, invented by management consultants. But the reality is that when you look at what's happening in digital transformation, those who are winning in this difficult time are those that have realized they need to have developers empowered. So organizations are turning to their developers. They're looking at developers and saying, we need you to build differentiation for us. And so what you see is those organizations that have built these frictionless, seamless, secure applications are the ones that have seen seismic gains in this period. And what we are looking at is a transformation over the long term. This is not a short-term gain for those who have invested in digital. The gold mines of the future rest in seamless, transformative digital experiences, and we are very honored to be a part of that for the brands that are succeeding. One of the things in this quarter is that we did land more customers than we ever have as a public company, and that's tremendous in a difficult sales environment for many companies.
And Joshua, hopefully this will be a long-term conversation that we can have as the industry and your company evolves. We have to leave it there for now. Joshua Bixby is the CEO of Fastly. And Carl, I'll send it over to you for Squawk Alley.